for 40 years.
I love Meatshake.
Meat and shake, that's all I need.
I have Meatshake every day at school.
Look, when I'm hungry, I need some meat. I don't need none of that rabbit food they're serving over at Veggie Hut.
Meat to the shizay.
Bro, it's all that Meatshake, man.
I'd love to taste the secret.
Lunch break, only got a half an hour. Gotta get something in my system, I go Meatshake.
Eat a Meatshake.
Taste the secret at Meatshake. Hey.
Meatshakes are so soft I can eat them without my fingers.
Well, hi, welcome to Meatshake, where you can taste the secret. And when I tell you what it is, you won't believe it. There's something special in our food you'll taste when you start eating it. Everything we serve has meat in it.
But don't you serve French fries in a vegetable plate?
All has meat.
Маленький Миша хочет перейти дорогу.
Salad and a cookie today.
Попробуем заново, только пусть на этот раз мэтр объяснит несколько простых правил. Во-первых, пользуйся пешеходным переходом. В темное время суток неплохо бы одеться поярче. Когда для машин зажжется красный, а для пешеходов зеленый свет, можно переходить. Но предварительно посмотри налево, а затем направо. И не зевай! И машины, и пешеходы должны быть внимательны друг к другу. Соблюдай правила и давай пол!
Rest assured, our healthy and discriminating guests prefer the sweet and meaty morsels we concoct behind my register. Giving good service plus a smile and a paper hat. Our competition's food is crap. Who would want to pay for that? Please try a beef pie, top it with some meat fries, and a classic Meatshake baked until the grease dries. 40 cents more, you can have your meal meat size. Plus you get 3 tries, scratch and win a free prize. All except you vegan men, you need to be leaving it. Head into the Veggie Hut where you can eat some leaves and grin. That is, unless of course you want to taste the secret sin. Come on, breathe it in. You can use your teeth again. Remember that meat your friends, so let it inside you. Pals gotta die too. Don't let them survive you. There's an offer for a free shake when you buy 2. Last while supplies do. Thanks, please right through. Skinny mini or a beefcake. Hey, you don't need steak.
Get a Meatshake.
You want a meaty meal, but your teeth ache. Hey, for Pete's sake,
Get a Meatshake.
you're gonna take your girl on a cheap date, and you're a cheapskate. So get a Meatshake. When you purchase a combo meal, you'll receive a souvenir keepsake.
Get a Meatshake.
Offer for free souvenir keepsake, good for a limited time only at participating Meatshake stores in your area. The Meatshake Corporation is in no way responsible for high blood pressure, heart disease, or bad body odor.
Meatshake.
I'm finna go taste the secret right now.